Hello, my friends. I am Llywelyn. Llywelyn. Notice how you cannot pronounce my name. That's okay. You've never heard the Cymric language before. It's been hidden from you until now. It looks like a double L in the Latin script. It's an aspirated L in the Cymric language. The Cymri are the biblical tribes of Israel. To say the aspirated L sound, place your tongue as if you're trying to say lion and simply blow air by the sides, and it becomes a noise. Llywelyn can mean the one that steers, the one that guides, or the rudder of a ship. Notice how it's literal. The sound is the sound the water makes as it flows over the rudder. When you can say Llywelyn and make the sound, you'll be able to pronounce Hallelujah, Hallelujah, Hallelujah correctly. I love you, and I'm fighting for you, and I'm always with you, and I always have been. Wil Fawr.